Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add layers on or overlay to your edits on VN. So here I have already opened a project on my VN, and to add layers or overlay, it's actually pretty easy. You can just click on this plus image here. You can add stickers, photos, video as the layer. Just click on this. Then here you can choose between a video, a photo, or sticker. I'm going to choose video. Then just select the overlay video that you want. For example, in here I got this overlay video. I'm going to trim it first. Like this, and then you can just adjust the position. You can drag the overlay. After that, you can fit the size like this, for example. And then after that, to make the main video still visible, you can click on the overlay or the layer and find the blending option. Here just choose which one that you think fits your video the best. I'm going to go to overlay and just lower it a bit, and in here this is the result with the layers, new layer added to the video. And you can always add more than one layer. You can just click on this again and choose a new layer or overlay. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.